Ciao guys, welcome to IWA 2022. We are here, we have some new products to show you the news for 2022. So we can start with the Maximo. Maximo is a bobtail swallow design, M390 blade. It's a frame lock with titanium frame, titanium solid spacer. You have stainless steel clip with tungsten carbide glass breaker tip at the end. In the package you will have also another screw that you can remove and change. In this case we like to make a very strong knife, a very working knife, and also we use this, let's say, frag pattern, you know, to give a even more strong look. It has double opening system, so you have flipper or thumb stud, and the thumb stud is removable, so if you want to remove it you can. It's available in 6 different variations. It changes by handle material, blade finishing, yeah, and that's it. And this will be ready very soon. So going ahead, we have the Hero. Hero is a Tommaso Rumici design, M390 blade. Is 3.5 inches blade. It's also in this case we decided to make a strong knife but making it fancy. So one thing really particular on this knife is the structure of the handle. So basically you have bolsters and liner that is a unique piece of titanium with overlayer on top of different materials. What we thought on this knife is to make it completely ambidextrous, so lock back, double thumb stud, and the clip that is a titanium band clip that is reversible. So completely ambidextrous knife. Also in this case we have 6 different versions that change for handle material and blade finishing. As you can see in this one, the green canvas micarta has stonewash blade, while this great carbon fiber piece has satin finish blade. And just to give you a little look, you have ball bearings inside, so it's a lockback, but it's a very fast knife for opening. We go ahead on a fixed blade, so we got the Macro. In this case we just did what you guys asked us to do. We got the Micro and you asked for a bigger one, so we had to make the Macro. Jasper did another great job on this knife. So we don't only scale it bigger, but we make it bigger and more, obviously keeping it comfortable for your handle. And you have 2 different blade shape, so a drop point or straight back, whatever you want to call that, and a modified shapefoot. They come with the leather sheet that has magnets, so it's our, let's say, our touch that we put on also on the Micro. So this is a knife that you can carry in your pocket every day. It will be quite deep in your pocket, so yeah, it will be also very comfortable. It's very easy to put inside. This on your pocket, you close it, and it's ambidextrous. So left hand, right hand, you can wear whatever you want. They will come also, there will be another package, a separate package coming a little bit later than the knife, with the Kydex sheath, with the ulti clip and other accessories to carry the knife. I already told you, maybe M390 blade on that one. Yeah, different version also for this one, different handles, and okay. Going ahead, we have the Flame light. So we got the Flame. It was light, but we wanted to make it even lighter and easier to carry. And so what we did is we changed the locking mechanism. Is a liner lock instead of the original version that is a frame lock. Materials are 3 different micarta: green, black, and natural. And we changed the clip, that in this case is a band clip, stainless steel, reversible. So also in this case we thought about the lefties, and we kept the 2 blade shapes, the dagger with only 1 cutting edge, and the standard, let's say, I'd probably say drop point, yeah. Mycoziba design, the same of the normal Flame, and these guys here will be available around April 2022. M390, we kept M390 also on this one, and the titanium ring that is a little bit our signature, as you probably know. Another box design here. So, and another knife we already had in our range, that is the Timavo. So as I told, box design, M390 blade. In this case, we just added a couple of versions of materials. So this one I have in my hands is black canvas micarta, and we have also natural one that will go together with the green canvas, the G10, and the carbon fiber that are already in our range. Liner lock, flipper, very snappy action, really comfortable knife. Probably one of my favorite knives in our range. Very easy, very classic, and the pocket clip in this case is a wire, stainless steel wire pocket clip, so very functional on that. So another special thing and another, let's say, new versions of an existing model we had is for the Isonzo. The Isonzo is probably one of our best-selling models from all our range. So we decided it deserved a little bit higher end version. So the usual one have FRN and X690 blade, etc. So we decided to make M390 blade, different handle materials. This one is micarta, green canvas micarta, titanium accents, so no more, not aluminum like the other ones, but we kept the same structure and the same idea. And also for the details, like the clip is a stainless steel wire clip, because it's functional and it fits so well on this knife for me. And it's reversible, so you can also, in this case, leftists will be happy about it. We kept the 3 different blade shape also for the M390, so you have hook bill, clip point, and cleaver or ship foot, whatever. The materials that will be out will be these 5, okay. Will be these 5 materials, all the different blade shapes. They will be out in different times. So we will start with the micarta ones, then we will have the carbon fiber, and then the end we will finish with the titanium. So stay tuned and you will find them out on our website and different websites, different time of the year. Same opening, same snappy action, flipper. Only on the hook wheel we have the flipper, not on the other ones, but also the other ones are really easy to open. You can really flick them, and yeah, it's a great little knife. So we finish with a special thing. That's a really special thing. So you probably know our Mother Gotcha. It has been very popular for us, so what we decided to do is make a limited edition. And so Dama steel blade, titanium handle. You can see on the handle there is the milling, the pattern that recalls the same pattern of the Damascus blade. And as always happen with our collection piece, they come with our collection wooden box that is always the same and function always in the same way. Magnets, you close it, you open it, you can display in this way. Here you have the certificate. You can put your keys also if you want, or if you are putting that in a lower shelf, you can use the other setup, and so you have a double display system. So these are the news for us for 2022, at least for now. So there will be something else coming on, but you just need to stay tuned and you will know that. Thank you guys, and ciao.